Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content, where we try to learn the best way to grow our plants so they grow the way we want them to grow. And yeah, if that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today, me, my puppy baby, oh yeah, my old puppy baby, yeah, what a cutie, and my boyfriend we are rehoming the plants in my collection that I no longer want in my collection. I'm downsizing some of my collection to just include the plants that I'm really excited about. And yeah, I'm going to show you where I bring the plants to rehome them. I'm actually bringing them to Nickie Gunning's art studio. She does ceramics, she makes planters, cups, ceramics. You know, she's also doing some jewelry. It's really cool stuff. I have clips showing you where she has the plants that I brought to her right now and kind of how her studio area is set up and the merchandise she has available. I highly recommend and suggest you buying something from a local artist. You know, a pot, you know, it makes the artist's day. It really boosts their mood, and I think it's a really good thing to do instead of buying stuff that's like fast fashion kind of in the planty pot world. But anyway, I'm going to show you some clips of the little studio, the plants I brought over and gave to her, and then at the end I'm going to show you what I hauled. So all right, stick around. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so we are back in our motel. We've had a great time at the studio. I got to see a whole bunch of really cool planters and stuff. I'm back at, we're in our hotel. I'll give you a little quick sneak preview. It's the boyfriend, that's the pupper, that's the TV. This is pretty much it. So I'm going to show you the planters that I got. And yeah, alrighty. So the first one that grabbed my eye is this purple blue with hints of green in it. Look at that. I also love the texture of that. Then this was a huge seller. It's a, she sold out of this. This is almost, I'm not even sure, I can't remember what it was called, but look at that. It's like a leopardy print type of thing, or like a snakeskin kind of print. Not leopard, snakeskin, but look at that. And I love how it drips over. It's gorgeous. And then this one has like a blue rusty color. Look at that. And then the last one, these three are porcelain, and then this one is an oxidized stoneware. And look at the color. I love it. It is amazing. Alright, so these are the 4 that I picked up. Let me know which one is your favorite. And also go give a shout out to Nickie Gunning. I will put her information in the description below. If you are looking for a gift for a planty friend, or you just want to pick up some really cool pots for yourself, I would highly recommend her planters. They are beautiful, unique, and sturdy. Alrighty, and they come with drainage holes. Alright guys, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.